Hi, my name is Martin from Amatis Training, and I'm here with George. And George has very kindly agreed to be interviewed for our YouTube channel and for social media purposes. So thank you, George. Now, George, congratulations. You have just passed your oral exam, and having completed the International Diploma, all 4 courses, and now the final interview exam itself. You must be delighted. I know we're delighted for you. Could I just ask you, though, first of all, how did you feel the whole experience was, really?
So yeah, thanks. Absolutely chuffed, to be honest. Thanks a lot for all the support. I think all in all, it was an absolutely fantastic course because, I came in with 0 business analyst experience, and I can comfortably say that the course content is designed in a way that helps you gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter because it's easy to follow. It's packed with relatable examples and was a genuinely fun experience to learn.
Oh, fabulous. Thank you. Obviously, you're talking about the whole general 4 courses there. So what I'd like to do now is kind of just drill down to the oral preparation workshop itself. How did that prepare you for the exam, do you think?
It was invaluable, to be honest with you. It detailed exactly what to expect on the day and set me up with the best possible chance to succeed. The syllabus is huge, as you well know. And I think by attending the oral workshop, it really allowed me to focus and hone in on the key things to try and remember and learn. Of course, you want to know everything, but it gave me that narrower scope, so to speak.
Thanks, George, for that. So I just wanted to ask you, how do you think that the oral prep workshop prepared you for the actual exam itself?
The oral prep workshop was great. It outlined exactly what was to be included within the syllabus. It spoke about the kind of questions that I'd be facing, what the examiner is actually looking for. And then with those example questions, it brought everything to life. And those were very similar to the questions that I faced on the day. So without it, it certainly would have been a much more difficult task to accomplish.
Brilliant. George, you're a star. Thank you very much indeed. And we look forward to you developing as a BA, and we'll keep in touch and maybe see you on the professional courses.
Always a pleasure. I'd have no hesitation in recommending anybody to come and work with you, and I'm sure we will work together again in the future, Martin.
Brilliant. Lovely. Thanks, George. Take care. Have a great weekend.
Cheers. You too.
Bye-bye.